That time starts now.
Oh my god!
Neil, you know this choreography, come on.
Get in the sunshine, Sue.
Okay, dancers, 10 more seconds.
Oh my gosh. Look at your face. It's like so concentrating. I had to have him help me up.
Well done, dancers. Dancers, take a stand back. Go and stand at the back wall.
Yeah, just get a little funkier with it. Make it nasty, like Lexi said. Yeah.
She was a singer, I think, tonight.
Not yet,
No,
Tasia.
oh, alright. Who's next?
We don't let Tasia out very often. Jack, what do you think of round one?
I enjoyed it. It was a good start. I started to see some connection there. I was particularly interested in couple number one. Don's little bum was giving me an almost twerk in front of me. So keep going with that, and maybe I'll see a full twerk by the end of the competition. Go for it, Don.
Lexi, what about you? What do you think of round one?
Yeah, that was very safe. I was
Sue's coming to get a whiskey.
30 seconds to press.
Yeah.
You see her?
She did that several times.
She
I noticed.
you did.
I noticed
This
that
is the
earlier.
jungle one.
Oh, the jungle one.
I was a flamingo. Where's my guy? Oh, look at him. Oh!
Look at Sue dancing for the judges. You see that, Connie?
And she went by and said, I'm her grandma.
She played it up.
Well done, dancers. Go and take a step at
This
the
is,
back.
and then he asked her your name.
Are you okay? Are you okay, Schmidt? No? Okay, it definitely got a little bit weirder. Got a bit weirder. Lexi, you went to see animals, you got animals.
That was a great go, you guys. I saw some really fun animals out on the dance floor.
Was
I
that
mean,
tonight's
Sue,
singer?
Sue,
Yeah,
there was like some thriller movements going on out there. I'm not sure what animal that was, but it was very exciting. But what you all missed was when she walked by, she goes, I'm a grandma! So, thank you so much. Couple number 6, Neil and Lynn.
Oh,
What was
Seconds to
this?
press. Your time starts now.
Where am I?
there you are. Look at that oracle. Look at that guy throw her around like a rag doll.
He's 6.5 foot tall.
They hardly dance.
Ten seconds.
That was that.
What am I doing? This is so embarrassing. She's waving at everyone.
Yeah, but you were acting and you were better than the others. You were better than your partner.
Oh, it's
too.
dying here. Oh, I couldn't
Way
breathe.
better.
Again. Are you okay, sir?
Are you okay, sir?
That's
Judges,
funny.
it's getting good. It's getting good.
He was worried about you.
I love
And then you sat down.
that.
The lady's gonna have a heart attack on stage.
Sue, you're amazing. it was like the high school dance where like the kid had met the gym teacher. I was really enjoying it. I was like, it shouldn't have happened, but I
That's
wanted
our
to see it
girl.
happen.
The
Listen,
kid, did you hear that? The kid meeting the gym
Tasia, what do you
teacher?
make of that round?
Couple number 2, Sue, you're in it to win it. She was playing to the judges the whole time, looking at us, waving, kicking, dancing, running Eddie around the floor. It was thrilling to watch. You know.
Lexi.
Couple number 1, great round again. Don, killing it, man. Sue, oh man. Couple number 2 is my spirit animal. That I
Boo.
just want to be you when I grow up. No bathroom breaks yet, but soon.
Oh, yeah, I asked for a bathroom break.
Couple number 5, Big Ben.
This is now
Eddie,
semi-final nations. Two of
come
you
on down
will
in
be in
your
the final. One
jogging
of you will be leaving
suit,
us at the end of this round.
Sue.
You got 30
Yeah, she's
seconds
the
to
gym
impress.
teacher.
DJ, take it away.
What are we doing now?
Oh, here we go.
Ride a cowboy. It is? Save a horse.
Save a horse, ride a cowboy. He's funny. Look at this dude. Really?
See that? The guy from...
Oh, sad.
What is that move?
Oh!
Look at there goes. Mount up, Sue. Look at him.
Oh, no!
He wants some action. Oracle runs away from him.
Dancers, head on back. You're a happily married woman. Not anymore, you're not, Sue.
Not anymore, you know.
Where's your husband, Sue?
Where's your husband?
This gentleman here. He looks very upset. Yes. He's good. Come
He's
and stand
good.
here, Doctors, let's see you. Ben, where are you going? Come this way, come this way. Line up here. Judges! Tasia, what do you think of that round?
Couple number 6. You, I felt like you were trying to sabotage couple number 2.
Yeah.
You were trying to chase him up just a little bit. No. Oh.
What'd you say, Sue? That was me?
You said I liked
Sue
it.
likes it?
No, I did not
You
say
did
that.
too.
That's Look at Lexi's mouth.
Look at Lexi.
Because that's her boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm glad that we stopped the song there because Sue was about to get crazy. Super inappropriate. Yeah.
Sue, you said
round,
you liked it.
Jack.
I really enjoyed the horseback riding, and I felt there was a bit of a race going on, and then two of the horses like fell on top of each other. There was a bit too much going on. I'm glad we stopped it there. Yes, yeah, there could have been some injuries.
Judges, right, dancers, you can now grab yourself a drink.
I am going to have to bear the bad news, but couples number 5 and 6, you were in the bottom 2.
Couples 5. Sue, where are you? This is it. This is now our final. There's no more dance battles. This is it.
See, he called him and
I don't even want to be here. I'm not even trying.
tonight Ed said he was
Maybe this is it.
Jesus.
You can be dance battle champion. Oh wow.
Oh, I got my shoe in my butt.
This is it.
He told
you
me
have
to.
about
He wanted
30
me
to
to hit him with the
45
shoe.
seconds to try and win the competition. DJ Joe-Boy, take it away. Here we go. Bing, bing.
Oh, no, here's where I break his belt.
And you didn't even miss a beat.
Get that shoe out of your back, do I?
Yeah, you do. Here it comes.
Here goes my turtleneck.
Girls bringing us another round of drinks.
Look at Sue. She's looking at the judges only.
He puts his leg up for her. Look at this other. And then she drops him.
Look at Kit going.
I'm crawling back to the table.
I don't know who I'm more worried about, Nat or Sue.
Old Sue? Did you say old Sue?
Yeah, it's probably.
You run circles around you.
Look at
what's
Eddie
happening?
has to come and get you.
She broke the bed.
Give him some money, I said. Give me your
He's
bill.
completely broken up. Sue, Eddie, whose shoe is that? Sue, Eddie, come and stand here. Ben and Nat, come and stand. I'm also
Look
very
at Eddie
confused,
looking
by the
at
way.
his belt.
Right.
I don't know what
You
happened.
now have to decide who you want to be crowned as the winner of our dance battle competition. It's one vote, and that is it, okay? Whoever you decide will be crowned as our winner. If you want to see dance battle champions as Ben and Nat, couple number 5, make some noise now!
Look at silence.
No,
Oh,
see
yeah.
that suit?
It went on forever. I knew I was a loser.
It did go on.
Yeah,
I was getting scared.
Or,
that's when we had to
if
use
you'd
our
like to
voice.
see Sue and Eddie, couple number 2 as our champions, wouldn't you scream now?
You got a standing O. I told him right now if we win, let's do a chest
I
pump.
think we have ourselves a winner. Ladies and gentlemen, our dance battle champions, make some noise for Sue and Eddie, couple number 2!
Boom.
Look at Sue go to the judges.
It's now your time to come on down, come and hit the dance floor with your dance the night away. It's time for our disco with DJ Joe Boy. DJ.
Oh,
I am